What's up, guys? Just went to Harbor Freight, just picked these up since they're 35% off. That took off $17.50 off of $49.99. Brought that down to $32.49. Plus I had $5.30 off, so that brought that down to just under $27. $26.99. So for having a $5.30 gift card plus the sale, it basically made it 40% off, which ain't too bad. So then I got a thing of shop towels, but I'm gonna go home and we're gonna open these and see how they are. All right, guys, I'm back home. I got my green Icon screwdriver set, 8-piece, paid like $27 like I told you. I like the green. The green looks really good, especially in the sun right now. So let's open this thing. All right. Open this with my Icon knife as well. All right, give me 1 second to pull these out. All right, guys, first slice. All right, the other side as well. All right, let's take these off. No turning back now. All right, first impressions. Sorry if it's super bright. So the grips feel nice. They're just like the regular ones, you know, the OG red ones. These feel great. This is my favorite size, this one, or even the smaller one. I believe this is a Phillips 1 and that's a 2. Doesn't say. That's one thing I wish they would say, like length in either Phillips 1, 2, you know, 1 or 2. But these are gonna look great in my Icons, you know, with all my other Icon tools as well. So let's go put these in my toolbox right now. Let me turn this on real quick. All right, walking in my garage. As you guys can see, I got a lot of tools. The green never looks the same as in person. Like, the camera does not justify the color hue. Like, this looks brighter green than it really is. Like that, you know, these are more, the box looks more like that color on here, but it must just be the reflection of the metal. Let me turn the light on, and I'm gonna put these down here, actually, right here. I got my original green Pittsburgh, just a generic brand, and I got these recently. You might have seen in a video before. Snap-on and my Klein. These and the Icon are somewhat similar in shape. You know, they got the little grips, like the 3-prong, like the Snap-on here. But I got Icon picks right there. I gotta get those replaced as well. But I do prefer Snap-on for screwdrivers, but I don't have Snap-on pricing. So that's one thing I don't care to spend, is Snap-on pricing. So we're gonna do all flatheads on one side and screwdrivers on the other side. So let me get that. All right, guys, so I ended up doing my screwdrivers a little bit different, since I never shut the lid anyways. So I never shut the lid really. So I got the medium, like regular size. You got the small Phillips 1, 2, or the 1, yeah, flathead. Then you got the very big ones and the very tiny ones. So this is, I'm just doing it from the most common thing that I use, is the medium Phillips, sometimes the Phillips 1, and sometimes I need the big ones, and these I rarely ever use. So basically from here on forward is the most common stuff I use. You guys will see a new toolbox tour pretty soon. I'm still getting new stuff, trying to organize and figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not, and we'll go from there. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.